Today, I am doing a pistol only challenge in Animal Rivals, and I'm not very good at Animal Rivals. I don't think I'm very good, so it's a good learning experience for me. And yeah, my first long Animal Rivals video. That's not an edit or an attempt on edit. So let's go do it. Random public. A Oh, he hit me with a grenade. I was adjusting my camera. Hey, GG's. Hi. Should I go through? I'm gonna go through.
Round starting.
Oh! Hey, GG's, bro. Match point.
Round starting.
Oh, I have to reload. Oh, no, no, no. That's the end of round one. I got one. You guys here. But I don't know if I mentioned, but if I lose one round, then I have to go into UG, and I'm gonna be giving away 2 Gregadon eggs to a random person I find in the levels. Anyways, let's go on to the second round. So what's up? Time.
Round starting.
Yeah, what happened? What? What did you do while she crying?
Yeah, GG's. Up there. It's 2-0.
You said what? You said you don't know how to do all this.
I am saving up for an Uzi, so I guess that doesn't really help.
This.
I don't have it. I can only use pistol. Why'd that thing do so much damage? And where'd he go?
Here's Johnny!
Oh no.
No, where'd he go? I don't know where you went. That was the end of round 2. I'm 2-0. So, me too. You guys know. Step up your game. Anyways, if I lose this next round, I have to give away a dino and probably gonna be 2 very legs. That's if I lose. Anyways, let's go. Final round.
Round starting.
No. I'm so bad. Halfway to Uzi. Bro, I gotta lock in. If I lose this round, gotta give away dinos on UG. Oh, there he is. It's not that bad in this game, so. Oh no. Okay, well, I lost one duel which means I have to give away 2 Gregadon eggs and egg. Roll the footage. Okay,
Wait,
so I'm in.
let me check.
I'm in the
Wait, I
code
kinda-
with Joshua. Your worst dino? Like, is this the one you were on the trade?
Yeah, this is my worst.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, thank you, bro.
GG, bros.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Yeah,
Alright, see ya.
GG. Alright, peace.
Okay. So, I lost. I know it's a whole different game I'm doing a giveaway in. It's because I'm not very good in Animal Rivals yet. It's fun to play and it's a learning experience for me. But let me know if you have any other challenges you guys want me to do in any Animal Company, Blade and Sorcery, UGG, Animal Rivals. I'll download Shark Go and try it. I've never played it yet, so just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join fan code 85273 if you want to meet me. Alright. See you guys in the next one.